Okay, this idea is for, again, some kind of wearable device, maybe for some form of athlete, like a runner, so they could map their progress. So rather than looking down at a watch, it could be a pair of glasses. So again, we start off with a crate. So I'm going to draw a vertical line, a 30-degree line going to the left. This is going to be slightly long. Well, actually, they're going to be similar, actually. 30-degree line going to the right over here. So if I was to make this, is going to be the front of the glasses. So if I made this 9 centimeters on this side, and if I go vertically upwards, this one I'm also going to make round about, I'm going to go 8 centimeters on this one and send this one vertically upwards. If I then pick the height of the glasses, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5. I'm going to go 30 degrees to the left, and I'm going to go 30 degrees to the right, and then back on myself 30 degrees, and then if I come back again at 30 degrees again. So what I need to know, this is where the nose section is going to go. So if I find the halfway point, so it's going to be, actually I've done it 8.5, so we're around about 4 1/4, something like that. If I send that vertically upwards, and then I want a triangle in this, but I want it to be equal. So to do that, I'm just going to mark maybe 1 centimeter on one side and 1 centimeter on the other side. If I decide the height of the triangle, so I'm going to go 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters up, and then if I join them up, so we've got there and there, so that's going to be where the nose would go. And then this is going to be the arms of the glasses. So I've got a 30-degree line going over this side. So at the moment they look a little bit boxy. So what I want to do now is I want to try and round them a little bit. So if I just adjust the camera so you can see. Oops, there we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to round this bit. So I could mark a point here, make sure it's in the same position on this side. I'm going to come in maybe about 2 centimeters here, 2 centimeters here. I'm just going to put in my backwards letter C. So I'm sketching now. Backwards letter, a smile I should say, on this bit. So this is going to be, this area here is going to be the arms, this section. And then I'm going to draw a vertical line down here, just around that bottom part. Follow that profile over the nose bit. Round that section down at the bottom. Around this bit. And then we're going to come up and I could kind of sculpt them a little bit around the side here. So this bit, I could widen this bit. So this could be a piece of plastic, maybe with a coloured trim around this bit. And I'm going to go around the corner, keeping it to the same profile, all the way back to the arms on the side. So this is going to be the lens. And if I wanted to add some additional features, let's say, for instance, I could draw something called an auxiliary view. I could draw an additional view, but it's just in 2D. And then I could put some graphics on, so it could kind of show what the viewer, the runner, might see in there. So they might have some statistics. So it could have his heart rate, and then we could have like a little beat, or it could have like a map as to what they're following, the route that they're following. So this could be an additional view to try and explain the idea. Okay.